What is good YouTube? Oh, hold on, it's my homeboy.
I'm gonna get the headset on. Record real quick.
I'm recording.
Now, your shit loud though.
Let's hear what that hoe sound like.
It's turbo.
And let's hear what it sound like.
Alright, hold on, I'm about to put it in sport. You wanna put it in sport?
Go ahead. Okay, I heard the turbo. I definitely heard the turbo on it. Definitely heard the turbo on that hoe. So we just coming back from church. Yeah, bro. That's really it. I'm on the way home. I heard that hoe.
It's like a turbo vibe.
I heard that hoe.
You heard that hoe though?
Yeah, that hoe cool.
I don't like it though.
That was cool. You need that with a crack, pop, and bang, though.
Yeah, but like, niggas be having they fins like upgrading, they be adding noises and shit.
Yeah, nigga, you need to do that shit to yours.
I should do that?
Yeah. The
Wait,
fuck?
what should I do to it?
You gotta downpipe that hoe and tune it.
Downpipe and tune it?
Yeah. And then if you want to get crazy, you can upgrade your turbo.
How much does downgrade and tuning cost?
On me fast as fuck. They don't put it in the bitch, he don't care. Yo, what? Yeah, bro.
The one we always go to.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, see you there.
Bruh, last night, oh shit. Last night, I don't know what happened, but for some reason, my sunroof don't want to come back no more. It opens still, like I could open it, but it don't even open all the way. I don't know what's wrong with it. Look, here you go, right here. Here go Dino right here. That hoe would be fast.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Wait, it's gonna make it faster or louder?
both.
But like, nigga, I'm about to put this car on 2-road. Then, when I get the Scat, it's gonna pay for the Scat.
Yeah,
I don't want this one no more.
type shit.
'Cause I wanna get Scat and track off. I'm gonna get both.
All right, brother.
Alright, bro.
Be safe, fool.
You too.
You driving that fast shit, don't forget. Yeah, I don't know what happened, bro. But look. It'll open though. And then look, it do that. And then come right back up like something out of place or something. And it knows it's out of place, so it don't break itself. Anyways, I think whenever I go take the car up to the cosmetic shop where I'm getting my fender and all that shit done there, I think they could fix it. So I ain't really too worried about it. But having a sunroof is better. I mean, having a broken sunroof is better than having no sunroof, in my opinion. So I'll take my little L, sorta kinda L, I guess. Damn, little mama, you come around that bitch a little fast, ain't she? Smiling and shit. What's wrong with her? Ooh, I'm cursing straight out, fresh out of church. Let me chill. She's smiling hard. No music. Just let the car sing, man. These are the days I like driving my car. I would roll all 4 windows down, but then they gonna see come on, man. Like, that's some dumb shit. That's some. Then they gonna see a nigga with dread and a headset on. They gonna think I'm on some crazy shit. put belt to ass real quick? I can't go in through here. I fucking missed my turn. WRX. Niggas just be having these though. I guess I didn't realize how big of a community they have. And he flying too. Take a bit of Benihana Achi on a dinner date. Yeah. Damn, I wanted to park next to the Benihana sign. So I just came back from eating. Yeah, on the way to the crib.